They always said the woods were peaceful, but tonight he knew something was wrong. Shadow, his loyal dog, suddenly bolted into the trees, chasing something he couldn't see. When the man followed the tracks, they changed. Dog prints mixed with human footprints. The forest went quiet. Shadow appeared, but his eyes were human, watching him, studying him. The dog stepped closer, shoulders shifting, skin crawling like something inside wanted out. Behind the trees, a tall, pale figure lurked, long arms, waiting. That wasn't his dog anymore. Something here hunts by stealing your shape, and once it's close enough, it becomes you.